Hey guys, I am Ajinkya Dixit and this is my channel AJINXD Artist. मी आमच्या सोसायटीच्या गार्डनमध्ये बसलो आहे आणि इथे मॅक्रो काढतो आहे मी. इथे मागे पाहिलं तुम्ही तर या टिपवर एक नागतोडा बसला आहे. त्याचं मी मॅक्रो शॉट आता दाखवतो तुम्हाला. पान खातोय तो कर्दळीचं. सो बघूया मॅक्रोमध्ये कसं दिसतं. गाईज 3-4 किडे दिसलेत मला. नावं एकाचंही माहीत नाही. हे व्हिडिओमध्ये टाकलेत पण ऑफकोर्स मित्रांना विचारून. मी एवढा एक्सपर्ट नाही आहे त्या. सो बघूया अजून एखाद्या आठवड्याने परत चेक करू. आत्ता पाऊस आला आहे त्यामुळे Hey guys, I'm back for the macro update. As you can see, these are the blood lilies in our garden and these are native to southern African countries and imported to India and other places around the world. These are mildly toxic, so I'll say probably stay away from them, but they are very beautiful. I'll show you how they look through the macro lens. We also have Arabic jasmine behind me. Then there is aboli. ह्याला इंग्लिशमध्ये काय म्हणतात माहीत नाही. रेग्युलर 5-star 5-tip jasmine also. Some is hibiscus, red button roses also. So I'll show you that through the macro lens. Let's see what we find. Okay guys, so I think this is enough for the video. Go around, explore yourself. For this video, I think I've got enough content to show you, to interest you in macro photography. My partner, this is the Canon 80D, and this is the Raynox lens, which DCR 250, which you put on over your camera, and that helps you in getting good macro shots. I like this lens over extension tubes and reverse ring, of course, because you get more control over it, over the camera, the lens, and I think I didn't even use a flash this time, because I could increase my ISO and get good results out of it. With the flash, the problem is you cannot go over 250 on the shutter speed. So if you are doing macro or have done it before, you'll understand this helps. But flash also gets you good shots, good lighting conditions. If there's not good enough light, you should definitely use a flash and some diffusers, custom made of course. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.